Guys, I have a quick update regarding our Freelance to Income course. Now, for those of you that don't know what the Freelance to Income course is, it's a course that teaches you how to make money with your web design skills. So this course was supposed to have been released last week. Now, as I was designing this course, I realized that I missed out on one very important part, and this is color palettes. So what I've decided to do is to create color palettes for you, and these are going to be about 12. These color palettes will be pretty much for every type of industry, very easy to install. In fact, let me show you how to install them. To install these color palettes, it's very easy. All you have to do is to log into your Divi website, come over here to Divi, click on theme options, and then you want to come over here to the top and click on portability. Okay, so you click on import, and then you choose the file. Now, I already have one of the color palettes on my computer, so I just have to go in and download it. Okay, so here it is. It's called Business Pro. I'm gonna double click and then click on Import Theme Options. So just like that, I've imported a brand new color palette, and these are all my colors. So as we are designing, it's going to make things very easy for us to design our websites from scratch, saving us a lot of time creating color palettes each and every time we need to create these color palettes. So here's the thing. These color palettes are going to be on sale, but don't panic yet. For those of you who are lifetime members, you are going to get this absolutely free. For those of you that bought the Freelance to Income course, you're also going to get these color palettes absolutely free. They are going to be so easy to use. So if you decide to maybe create a website that is based on, say, a farm or anything to do like a restaurant, you're going to have color palettes which are ready. Just one click and install, just like what I've done here. So this is going to enable us to build our websites super fast without the headache of trying to create all our color palettes. So the product is going to be called Divi Super Colors. Very easy to use, and like I said, it's going to be on sale. So for those of you that haven't bought the Freelance to Income course, you'll have to buy this separately as a product, and for those of you who are not lifetime members as well, we'll just have to buy this separately. So the question now is, when is the course going to launch? And I'm looking at next week to launch the actual course, and this is also going to be part of the toolkit. Now, for those of you that haven't bought the course yet, I've activated a 50% discount. Links in the video description below. All right, guys, see you soon. Take care.